Let's talk cryptocurrency investing, and in my opinion, the only question, the one question that matters the most. At this point in time, if you're gonna just be honest about it, whether you think it's all a sham, whether you think that it's, I don't really think you can say it's a fad anymore. Like I would argue it's here to stay, but here is very, very broad. And that's the point of this video, which circles back to the question that matters because, okay, yeah, it's here to stay. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. But I take this back one step further and ask, okay, well, what is cryptocurrency all based on, right? It's based on blockchain, right? It's based on the blockchain technology, which I don't think anybody can really argue against. It's cool stuff. It's great stuff. It's practical stuff. Like there's some great things, quote unquote, you can use with it. So this is what it's all based on, blockchain technology. And yes, there's all sorts of cryptocurrencies out there. There will be new cryptocurrencies that are out there after I do this video. And the thing is, okay, invest in crypto. That's a very broad statement. It's the same as, hey, invest in stocks. No, the general idea is not bad. Well, yeah, investing in stocks is which does that mean you go and invest in some sort of penny stock? Of course not. Does that, so when it comes to cryptos, well, the logical question becomes, there's so many cryptos out there now. Like, which one do I do? Do I do Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and all the other ones? I'm probably offending people because I just didn't mention their coin that they're into. But for me, if you're looking to get into the space and you're looking to make an investment, to me, what everything circles around this question is right here. You got to look back at that and ask right here. The best. What do I mean by that? Well, which cryptocurrency is using the blockchain technology the best? Okay, Clay, well, how are you defining best? A very simple way, or the way I would approach this is, okay, well, which one is the most efficient? Like, I get it. It is a cryptocurrency, meaning you want to be able to buy stuff with it. So which of the currencies out there is taking the blockchain technology and making it the most efficient to make it be able to purchase something? Now, that's just, like I said, one word that you could use for best. Maybe there's another word out there that you would say is the best. No, which one's most practical? Who knows? Maybe you're just which one's most popular. Maybe that's how you're going to define best. But the idea is, do you have this technology? And the technology is not going to go away. The technology is here to stay, but it all boils back to, but who is using this technology in the best way, in the best manner, the most efficient manner? And that is a great starting point for you to begin your research in terms of the cryptocurrency, that's going to be around the most, because I understand it can get very overwhelming, but a lot of the cryptocurrencies, and to their credit, they're self-admittedly jokes. But if you peel back the layers, you can quickly say, okay, there's nothing actually going on here other than the only way that they're using that technology is belief, right? Like, a bunch of people believe this thing's going to go up, not because of any sort of good use, best use, efficient use of the technology, but just because they think a lot of other people believe it's going to go up, right? That's just, the whole perception and, how a lot of, almost penny stock pump and dumps work, right? The penny stock itself is a piece of garbage. But if you know that enough people believe it's going to go up, well, you're not playing the penny stock company itself. You're not playing the fundamentals. You're playing the belief itself of other people that it's going to go up. And that's what happens here. So you're probably going to, if as an investment, now if you're out there just trading it, then yeah, play the belief. But if you're actually looking to invest for the long haul, take note, research. Okay, well, how is this blockchain technology being used within the cryptocurrency? How does it vary from other ones? So at this point in this video, there probably the most two comparable ones, and I'm sure hopefully I don't start like a massive debate, but I guess the debate's fine. But like Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Well, what are the differences between the two? That'd be a very good question when you're a beginner. And the difference is how they're utilizing the blockchain technology. So research that, and then it's going to be up to you. And that's why this stuff is all fun, right? Because it's your opinion. And with this opinion, though, it's not like you just get to sit there and throw out your opinion. No, you get to put your money where your mouth is, and then you get to see what happens. That's what makes investing and trading so fun. But that's what you need to be researching is, okay, how do each of these coins take the blockchain technology and use it? And do you think one is using it better than the other? Well, then there you go. That's going to open up the gateway to how you can make a cryptocurrency investment. And of course, not guarantee that you're going to make money because there are no guarantees, but ensure that you're going through a logical thought process, a thought process that isn't just degenerate gambling, a thought process that's going to make sure that you're considering multiple angles that actually make sense within the grand scheme of things from an investment. And again, while that doesn't guarantee things, at least it's shielding you from just going out there and throwing a dart and hoping, okay, well, I hope this was a good investment. No, you're going to have a much structured way to do that research. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this can kind of get you started. But yeah, just ask yourself that question: which one of the, which cryptocurrency is making the best use of the blockchain technology? First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.